Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change views in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your project boards and team plans. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on My Plans to view all the project boards you're part of. This section displays all your active plans and makes it easy to switch between different projects. From the list that appears, select the specific plan you want to work with by clicking on it. This will open the plan and display all its tasks, assignments, and progress details. Now, once your plan is open, look at the top of the screen. You'll notice several view options available in the toolbar. These different views help you visualize and manage your tasks in various ways depending on your workflow needs. First, click on Grid. This will switch your plan to Grid View, which displays all your tasks in a spreadsheet-like format. This view is particularly useful when you need to see detailed information about multiple tasks at once and compare them side by side. Next, click on Board to change to Board View. This is the default Kanban-style layout that shows your tasks organized in columns based on their status. It's perfect for visualizing workflow and tracking progress across different stages of your project. Now, if your account is on a premium plan, you'll have access to additional view options. Click on Timeline to switch to Timeline View. This feature gives you a Gantt chart-style visualization that's excellent for understanding project schedules, dependencies, and deadlines at a glance. After that, click on Calendar to change to Calendar View. This displays all your tasks organized by their due dates on a traditional calendar layout, making it easy to see what's coming up and manage your time effectively. You can also click on Charts to see graphical representations and statistics about your plan. This view provides valuable insights into task distribution, completion rates, and overall project progress through visual graphs and metrics. Additionally, if you have a premium account, click on the three dots in the toolbar to reveal more view options. From here, you can change the view to People, which organizes tasks by team members, or Goals, which aligns tasks with your broader objectives. And that's it. You now know how to navigate between all the different views in Microsoft Planner to find the one that works best for your workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.